Holy cow, look at these watermelons are massive. What? Also, we're back in Walmart buying some lunch, and today we're driving to Kayenta, which is where Monument Valley is. So yeah, we're just checking out Walmart again. Oh my god, look at this. Cakes.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you?
Hi guys, we just got to Kayenta, which is a place, a little town really close to Monument Valley, and that's what we're visiting tomorrow. But today we just drove like an hour and a half from Page to Kayenta, and today we're not really doing that much. We're just probably just hanging out by the pool right here and doing whatever, just chilling for a bit. And then tomorrow we'll visit Monument Valley, which is gorgeous, and we'll have like a whole day there. And yeah, that's it.
Does it get easier?
No. Yes. It gets easier. The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
I just don't know what I'm supposed to be.
Guys.
That's good, cause I'm
Yeah, then I woke myself up, painted a scene they got my queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she rolls something that stank good. Feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas a size 9. Somehow it be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really been buttering up the jam. Can me and you cuddle up with the fan blowing thanks. Yeah, I know you worry about the bitches who fan shows, but you was original, hands on in.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm good.
I could die like this. Pass me a tab, I could fry like this. Thoughts of the past are the highlight shit. My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'ma lie like this. The rays bright all up in my eyes like shit. Chill, why don't you shut the blinds right quick, so I could doze off, maybe die like this. And I need nothing but good looks. Ass like Trina, she getting them hood looks. God damn, it feels like a Friday, but fuck time. I'ma stay up and light up until the sunshine.
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good.